fishing, mate?
No.
Good. That comparison would have been wrong. Fish in the pot, fish in the clouds. How did people ever get bored? How did boredom even get invented?
My dad's invented a machine to control the cloud bank. Tame the sky, he says. The fish will be able to come down, but only when we let them. We can charge when we really want.
Yeah, I've seen your dad's machine.
You can't have
Sky. Human beings. You always manage to find the boring in the show. Want to see what? Fish? We can do that. We can see a fish.
You're going to tell me it's dangerous.
Dangerous? Come on, we're boys. And you know what boys say in the face of danger?
What?
Mummy.
These spiders in here.
Nah, not at this time of night. You'll be sleeping in your mattress. So, why are you so interested in fish?
Is it scary?
Good answer.
What kind of tie is that?
A cool.
Why is it cool?
Why are you really interested in fish?
In school. During the last flood bout, when the nets broke in, there was an attack. Loads of them. A whole shop. No one was hurt, but at least most fish ever seen in the